Welcome to Little Minds, Big Feelings.
Episode 3. Daddy is stressed out. Zeke loved his family very much. He loved playing games. He loved silly voices. He loved big hugs. But sometimes even dads feel overwhelmed. It was a busy afternoon. Zara was running around the room. She was laughing loudly. She was jumping and spinning. Zayne was talking at the same time. He had a question, then another question, then one more. Zeke was trying to clean up. The room felt noisy. Very noisy. Zeke's head felt full. His shoulders felt tight. He took a deep breath, but it didn't feel like enough. The noise kept going. Zara laughed again. Zayne spoke again, and suddenly Zeke's voice got loud.
Hey, that's enough.
The room went quiet. Zara froze. Her smile disappeared. Zayne looked down at the floor. Zeke stopped too. His heart felt heavy. That didn't feel good, Zeke thought. Luna walked over calmly. She put a gentle paw on Zeke's arm.
It looks like things felt too loud,
she said softly. Zeke nodded.
I felt overwhelmed.
He said.
I forgot to pause.
Zeke knelt down to Zara and Zayne.
I'm sorry.
He said gently.
I got too loud. My feelings got really big, and I forgot to use my calm voice.
Zara nodded slowly. Zayne looked up.
Even dads have big feelings,
Zayne asked. Zeke smiled a little.
Yes,
He said.
everyone does.
Zeke took a deep breath. Luna breathed with him. In and out. Zara copied them. Zayne did too. The room felt softer again.
Next time,
Zeke said.
I'll ask for help or take a break.
Zara smiled. Zayne smiled too. Zeke opened his arms, and just like that, everyone hugged. Sometimes feelings get too big, even for grown-ups. What matters is what comes next. Listening, saying sorry, trying again. Tomorrow might bring another big feeling, and the cat family will be ready. The end.
Thanks for watching our cat adventures. See you next time.